I'm at the train station today. I'm off to Cardiff to pick up a new camera lens for this particular camera, so when I do my YouTube videos it gives a slightly different look to the video as well. The lens I'm using now is a wide angle lens, so this is a bit more closer. So it's a 30mm lens I'm going to be buying, a Sigma lens. I was going to buy a Sony, but they were just a little bit more expensive than I wanted to pay for. I mean, this lens I got on here now is quite expensive, nearly as much as the camera. Right, I'm going to catch a train.
The train now approaching platform 2 is the 0950 Transport for Wales, service to Cardiff Central. Calling at Cardiff Central only. Platform 2 of the 0950 Transport for Wales.
So I've made it up to Cardiff, to the camera shop. I'm going to pick up my lens, do a bit of shopping. Nice sunny day, a bit chilly. Morgan's Arcade is where Camera Centre UK is, where I buy all my camera equipment. This camera I'm using now, this lens, everything. So it's just up here, we'll have a quick look. I'll show you where we are. Yeah, some nice shops in this Morgan's Arcade. So it's Camera Centre UK, so if you get any good cameras, DJI drones, anything Sony, got all the drones here, look. Sorry about that noise in the background. We do the Pro 3, but I'm going to be getting the Pro 4 this year. But they do all your cameras and stuff. So we'll head in here now and see what we can buy. We're going to have that new lens for this Sony camera. So we'll just go in and go and get it. Just been to the camera centre to put myself my new lens. I'm not on this camera at the moment, so I'm just going to head into John Lewis to look at some clothes. But it's a beautiful day here in Cardiff. I've just spent a fortune on lenses and filters. Something I wanted to get last year, this particular lens I bought, so I'll probably put it on maybe in the next video or something that I do on YouTube. But yeah, heading into a very big John Lewis. I'm going to have a look at some of the Carhartt stuff. I like some of the Carhartt stuff. Maybe grab a sneaky coffee or something. So we'll head in there now and have a quick look. But yeah, it's a beautiful day here in Cardiff. So I've come into John Lewis. I'm not sure if I'm going to be filming in here or not, but I do like a bit of Carhartt, as you've probably seen in a few videos. Some nice stuff. Good quality. Buy a lot of vintage Carhartt stuff and Dickie stuff. But yeah, it's not cheap, but it's nice stuff. Yeah, I like a bit of Carhartt, as you can see there in John Lewis filming in Cardiff. Nice stuff. 100 quid for a pair of jeans. Right, well, that's nice. What size they got left in them? Oh, they got my size left. How much are they? 40 quid. Quite tempted on one of them. have a wander upstairs here. Still looking to get a coffee somewhere. But lovely place in Cardiff shopping, guys. So I've come outside now. So you've got St David's shopping centre, goes all the way along. This area here is where they filmed a lot of Doctor Who back in the day. Christopher Eccleston, those who are interested in Doctor Who, they filmed a lot of it here in Cardiff. So you got Cardiff Castle behind me, really nice inside. We'll be going in there today. So I'm going to get myself a coffee shortly. I still haven't got a coffee since I last spoke to you. There you go, just had something to eat, a bit of coffee and cake. Absolutely delicious cake, really nice. And a nice cup of coffee as well. So I was having a wander around, got the church here. So I have a wander around. You've got Cardiff Market to the side of me here. O'Neill's pub, really nice. A bit cold, at least it's not raining. As you know, in Wales it does rain a lot. Yeah, but I can't wait to get this new lens on this camera, see how it performs. This is a 30 millimeter lens, so it should have some nice quality images from that. Cardiff Market. So I'm heading back home now. Done what I wanted to do, spent far too much money. So we're going to catch a train home, mess with this camera and the lens, and see how we get on. So I couldn't resist. I popped into Starbucks to get a coffee just before I head home. So there you go. I'm on my way home now. It's been a great day in Cardiff. Spent an arm and a leg in the camera shop. Yeah, so if you like the video, just give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. Interesting sort of day out and about. Do a bit of filming and what have you. Yeah, and it's been a lovely day as well, so I've really enjoyed myself. So if you like the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one somewhere.